Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to reset your Opera browser to its default settings. Whether you're facing performance issues or just want to start fresh, this simple process will restore Opera to its original state without losing your important data. Let's get started. Open Opera on your computer. Click the Opera logo in the top left corner. Select Update and Recovery from the menu. In the new window, click on Recover. Now, you'll see two options. Keep My Data and Reset Only Settings. This will revert your search engine to its default. Remove pinned tabs. Reset your browser settings. Disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Reset all data and settings. This will reset everything, including your search engine, pinned tabs, extensions, bookmarks, history, saved passwords, and clear temporary data like cookies. Choose what you want, then click on Recover. That's it. You've successfully reset Opera according to your preference. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.